Hello dear fans. How barley is grown. Barley is one of the oldest agricultural crops. Now it is sown in all parts of the world. It is not very demanding on environmental conditions, but its yield is significantly influenced by soil fertility. Temperature requirements. Barley can be sown early. The seeds begin to germinate at a temperature of 1 to 2 degrees Celsius, and viable seedlings are obtained at 4 to 5 degrees Celsius. However, under such conditions, the emergence of seedlings is delayed. The optimum growth temperature of this grain crop is 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Winter barley does not tolerate winters with little snow with prolonged frosts, sudden temperature changes in spring and stagnant waters. Seedlings tolerate frosts well down to -8 degrees Celsius, if frosts are short-lived. At later stages of development, resistance to negative temperatures decreases. Barley can be damaged by frosts from -1 to -2 degrees Celsius, and the grain becomes unsuitable for brewing. Moisture requirements. Barley is one of the most drought-resistant spring crops. However, high humidity and moderate temperatures contribute to its better formation and the formation of a large number of shoots, which contributes to a high yield. The greatest amount of water is consumed by barley during the periods of exiting the tube and earing. Lack of moisture during the formation of the reproductive organs of a plant reduces the productivity of its pollen. In arid conditions, barley gives higher yields. However, due to the poor development of the root system, it does not tolerate spring drought well. Cultivation technology. One of the main conditions for a good harvest of barley is the correct choice of predecessors. For food and feed purposes, barley is sown after crops that leave a large amount of nitrogen. When growing winter barley, the best predecessors are peas, early potatoes, and rapeseed. Organic fertilizers are applied only when soil fertility is low. As a rule, barley is sown second in a row after manured row crops. Mineral fertilizers have a positive effect on winter and spring barley. Nitrogen fertilizers are applied in the spring for pre-sowing cultivation, and phosphorus and potash fertilizers in the fall for plowing. Seed preparation for sowing and soil cultivation. Before sowing, the seeds are treated with the recommended preparations. As a rule, Vitavax or Fundazol are used for this. To increase the efficiency of processing, micronutrient fertilizers are introduced, which include amino acids, cytokines, potassium, iron, phosphorus, nitrogen, zinc, and boron. They increase the resistance of seeds to pathogenic fungi, increase germination energy, provide early germination, and stimulate root formation. Tillage includes stubble cultivation and plowing. If barley is placed after row crops, then only plowing is done. In the spring, harrowing of the plow is carried out to preserve moisture in the soil, as well as pre-sowing cultivation. Thanks for watching.